Matag kaninyong tanan. Gihigugma ko kamong tanan. And you know why? Because sabi nila, Cebuanos are hard to please. Hindi daw kayo madaling bulahin. Nag-iisip, totoo ba yun? And kasi if you are hard to please, you are like wanna change. Because wanna change is truly hard to please. You know, a wanna change will not just do anything. You know, she will choose the advocacy that she will do. At talagang naninindigan si Juana para sa bayan. Natutuwa ako, nandito ako ngayon sa Cebu, at nalaman ko na hard to please kayo, kasi ako din. And nandito ako ngayon, na tumataya for the Aquino family, kasi dapat na tayo magbahay. Naiiyak ako, bakit? Hindi na kaya. Anyways, sobrang lang kasi our group is part of Pinoy Power, and we're really going through a lot and investing so much of our time because we feel that this country really needs to change. Ano ba? Ba't ako nag-iiyak? Alam niyo, of course, eyelashes pa naman ako. Ayoko siyang matanggal, okay? Sorry ha. No, but really, lahat naman nagbabago. I'm so inspired listening to Pinky and Senator Kiko kasi talagang, I think ngayon yung panahon ng pagtaya. And kung tataya tayo, talagang kailangan tayong tumaya dun sa tama. And so anyways, if you want change, I mean, we have a good opportunity this May 2010 to really do that. And I hope sa mga taga Cebu, maasahan namin na para kayong gremlin sa dadami pagkatapos ng araw na ito. Hindi nga, serious ako. Kasi kung kami lang naman ang gagawa ito, hindi talaga namin kakayanin kasi wala kaming pera sa kampanyang ito. Umaasa kami sa taong bayan because truly this is the people's campaign and that is all of you here.